to League of Legends Wild Rift. Hold and drag to move your champion. Follow the arrows to the waypoint. Good. Proceed to the next
Part of the
waypoint.
plan I just made up.
Tap to attack the enemy minions.
Ew! I'm trying to shoot you.
Each champion has unique abilities with powerful effects. Jinx's first ability pulls out attack to attack. Attack the enemy minions.
Favorite waste of food.
Tap again to switch attack to attack.
Jinx?
Good.
Stands for Jinx?
Proceed to the next waypoint. Now, let's use an aimed ability. Tap to learn a new hold down the ability, drag it toward the enemy, and then let go. Well done. Level up your abilities for now. Use your leveled up ability. Good. Now try canceling your ability. Hold and drag to the cancel icon. Well done. Next, let's catch that enemy champion. Tap to learn a new use your ability on the marked area. Each champion has used your long-ranged ultimate ability to defeat you. Well done. There are dozens of unique champions, each with their own attacks and abilities. Move to a champion you'd like to try out.
I'm crazy. Got a doctor's note. Tell me a secret. No one listens. Indulge me. Playtime's over.
Don't hold back. It's too late for mercy. Let's have some real fun. How tempting.
Forge onward. We are the Vanguard. Protect our land. Show the strength of Demacia. I will fight as long as I stand.
enemy nexus has been exposed. Destroy it now to claim victory.
This world needs hope.
Victory!
No one will stand in my way.